Morning students, in the previous video we have studied about the functions and I explained you that there are two types of functions. One is 1 and another is many one. Now under the heading 1 there are two functions. One is called as 1 into and second one is called as 1 onto. Now what is 1 into function? Suppose there are two sets x and y. Now a, b, c are the elements of set x and 1, 2, 3, 4 are the elements of set y. Now if a is associated with 2, b is associated with 3 and c is associated with 4. Now 1 is left in the codomain. So such type of function is called as 1 into functions. अगर कोड डोमेन में कोई भी एलिमेंट रह जाता है जिसकी डोमेन में कोई भी इमेज ना हो, ऐसे एलिमेंट्स को हम बोलते हैं 1 इंटू फंक्शन. ऐसे फंक्शंस को हम क्या बोलते हैं? 1 इंटू फंक्शंस. देखो डोमेन के सारे एलिमेंट्स की एक इमेज है कोड डोमेन में, लेकिन कोड डोमेन के एक एलिमेंट ऐसा है जिसकी की डोमेन में कोई भी प्री इमेज नहीं है. तो सच टाइप ऑफ फंक्शन इज कॉल्ड एज 1 इंटू फंक्शन. नाउ व्हाट इज 1 ऑन टू फंक्शन? Again consider two sets x and y. A, B, C are the elements of set x and P, Q, R are the elements of set y. A is associated with P, B is with Q and C is with R. Now all the elements of domain is utilized. A is having an image of P, B is having an image of Q and C is having an image of R. And P, all the elements of codomain are also utilized, and the codomain is equal to the range. Codomain is equal to range. So such type of function is called as 1 onto, where the codomain of a function is equal to the range. Now let's come to many one. Many one into many one into. Now here also let us, this is x and this is y. Suppose a, b, c 1, 2, 3. Now a is having an image with b, this. C is having an image with this. So is the element of set x having an image in y? Now A is having an image 2 and B is also having an image 2. So this is many one. Okay. But here if we see that in the codomain 3 do not have any image in the domain. So such type of function is called as many one into. Okay. Now many one onto. Many one onto. Now let this is A, B, C, D 1, 2. Suppose this is the image of this. This is the image of this. Now all the elements of set X is utilized and all the elements of set Y is also utilized. Here again codomain is equal to range. Hence it is called as many one onto. Okay students, I think now it is clear. Now students, it is important to show that the given function is 1 1. So how we can show that the given function is 1 1? 1 1. Suppose we are having set x and set y. This is defined from natural number to natural number. Function is defined from natural number to natural number. Let y is equal to x 2x plus 1. Okay. Now if x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 into 1 plus 1, this is equal to 3. Or we can say that f of 1 is equal to 3. So if this is 1, then this is 3, and f of 2 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 1, this is equal to 5. So if this is 2, then this is 5. Now if this is x1, then f of x1 is equal to 2x1 plus 1. So this is equal to 2x1 plus 1. And if this is x2, then f of x2 is equal to 2x2 plus 1. This is equal to 2x2 plus 1. Now if we say that if f of x1 is equal to f of x2, then what will happen? 2x1 plus 1 is equal to 2x2 plus 1. This implies that x1 is equal to x2. Now this is a method by which we can show that the given function is 1 1. We first of consider that the f of x1 is equal to f of x2, and then we prove that x1 is equal to x2. Okay students? Now on to functions. On to function. How will we prove that the given function is an onto function? So let us consider y is equal to 1 upon x, and this function is defined from real number to real number. This function is defined from real number to real number. So step 1, write the function. Write the function. Write the function in terms of x. So x is equal to 1 upon y. Now this is x and this is y. Now for all the values of y, there exists a value for x except y is equal to 0. So if for all the values of y except 0, we are having a value for x, that is for all y belongs to capital Y, there exists x belongs to capital X. Okay, so hence the function hence the function is onto. Now f of x, this is equal to f of x is equal to 1 upon x. Now when x is equal to 1 upon y, so f of 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon y. So f of 1 upon y is equal to y. Hence the function is onto. Okay. And 1 upon y is what? 1 upon y is equal to x. So f of x is equal to y. और जब कभी y is equal to f of x आ जाए, इसका मतलब कि the given function is onto function. Okay students, now I think that it is clear to you.